Now today we're going to be discussing about share note. Now let's say for an instance you want to have a meeting and you want to present an agenda and you want them to be able to edit the agenda, or probably you're asking an idea, you're discussing an idea with your people, and you want them to be able to contribute to that idea by listing what they think. They should just write what they think directly. So you can use the share note here to do that. When you click on share note, now in here, whatever it is that you type in here, it's going to be visible the same way you have typed it to your people, and they can also continue to type. You can also continue to type all the same time at the same time. So as you're typing, it's going to be everything will just going to be synchronized in here. It's pretty very simple, and you can use what you see is what you can paste a table here. You can put anything from MS Word in here. It's just pretty straightforward and simple. That is how to share note on BaseConverge. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed the video. I would encourage you to watch other videos on BaseConverge so that you'll be able to get yourself used to how to use BaseConverge Virtual Presence or Virtual Classroom